Hello, Spanish students. I just wanted to show you today how to upload an audio file for any assignment that has an audio where you need to record your voice. Okay, so that might be a worksheet where I ask you to also include an audio file or any of the teacher graded activities. So I want to show you how to do that. So the first one is going to be in your Spanish 1 class, but this goes for any assignment. Usually it's going to be one of the teacher graded activities. So now what I wanted to show you is that this audio recorder over here on the left in the toolbar, it might work, but once you turn in the assignment, I don't have any way to access that file. So we need to actually record it using some kind of software that will give you an MP3, an MP4, or a .mov type of file. So if you go to the Spanish website, I have the instructions and the website that we like to use. It's called Vocaroo. So this is what it looks like, and when you log into vocaroo.com, this is what you're going to see. Up here or over here on a Chromebook, it might ask you to allow the microphone, so you're going to need to make sure that you do that. And then what you're going to do is you need to record a new file. So let's go ahead and do that. So you'll just click this red button. And then now, as you can see, it's already recording my voice right now. So I'm going to go ahead and just stop it. You can see it's 9 seconds. I can play it so I could hear myself, which I do suggest that you do. Please speak like as loud and clear as possible. And make sure that you're always speaking in Spanish and that you're speaking in complete sentences. So that's really important too, okay? But once you're done and you like the file, you're going to put save and share. And then you can see that there's a variety of ways that you can save this file. If you wanted to, you could even copy and paste this URL. However, other assignments maybe won't be that way, so I want to show you how to do it where you actually download it and you get the type of file that we need. So you're going to download it. You can see it came down here to the bottom corner as an MP3 file. It might come on this side on the Chromebook, but either way, you can see that it's there already. And then this one is called Vocaroo 11. I'm not going to click on it because otherwise it's going to start playing. But yeah, you definitely want to take note of the name of the file. And then that's on your computer now. So then you're going to go back to the assignment and you need to click this icon that says graded activity, and it's a piece of paper with a check mark. And that's going to be where you're going to upload the file. Now, I actually already submitted one file prior to taking this video, but that's okay. So again, this one right here will not work for me either. I won't have access to that file. So now you're going to upload that file that we just made, and it's called Vocaroo 11. So go ahead and grab it and then open it, and you're going to upload it. And then at that point, you're actually still not done. This is similar to a PE log. So you're going to need to make sure you check the box and include selected files. And then because I already submitted this for score, I can't touch it, but and then you'll click this one right here that says submit for score. Okay? And that will be it. That will be how you turn in the assignment. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, thanks. Actually, I was able to pull out that other assignment, so I just wanted you guys to see the full process. So check the box. If it's more than one file, that's fine. And then make sure you put include selected files and then submit for score. And then you can type a message in here if you want, but that's really not necessary. And then submit it for a score. Okay, so that is the process for turning in an audio file in your Spanish class at San Diego Virtual.